Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Gemma 4 locally on Windows operating system. So first here, if I go into this command prompt. Now if I write here, let's use CS first. If I write there Ollama minus version, then you can see this here latest version 20 that install. Now with the help of this with the help of this Ollama that I'm going to install their Gemma. So here you need to write there Ollama, then run Gemma 4. Ollama run Gemma 4. So this command we need to use. Press enter. So this here polling manifest. And now currently this is downloading. Total size is 9.6 GB. So this will take some time to complete this download. This here Gemma 4 that download and install successfully. Here you can see this all steps that success. Thereafter you can write any message there. Let's write there hi. Now here this returning. Thereafter I'm going to ask there what exactly Gemma 4. So this is my second question, and now you can hear this is now currently thinking. So this all returning is there. One by one you can get this about the what exactly Gemma 4. Okay, so this is how we can do here installation of Gemma 4 on this or locally on Windows operating system. So this is how we can install Gemma 4 locally on Windows operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.